MPC family, what's up? I'm just messing around with Masada MIDI progressions as I always do. And this is in the key of A. This is Dre MIDI progression of 5. Cycle kit 7. You know what I mean? Again, this is also Masada MIDI progressions. Yeah, I mean, I love these things. I made them myself. They come off like sounding like samples, but it's not. It's MIDI. You don't have to know how to play. It's just a wonderful thing. Yo, get Masada MIDI progressions, definitely. We got Jura in here. This is an art. Mellotron strings. Drake or Kindred on one of this. I can get either Drake or Kindred on this, right? Alright guys, go to cyclekit.com. Support me like I support you. Love y'all very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.